tutorial I will show you how to upgrade to Ubuntu 19.04. Just copy this command. First we must update, so let's open terminal. And it start to update, and then let's sudo apt dist-upgrade, and start to install, so please wait. Okay, let's continue. Let's copy the first command, and finally checking for new Ubuntu release, and it starts to check and then install. So you can take coffee until it finishes to upgrade to Ubuntu 19.04. But before take coffee, press yes to continue, and then enter. Okay, remove obsolete package, yes to continue, and yes to restart. Okay, let's check the version together now after reboot. So this is a daily build. Go to setting. Okay, this is the version 19.04 called Disco Dingo. So this is how to upgrade to Ubuntu 19.04. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.